everybody here at the conference, whether they're coming from a high school, whether they're a university delegate, seems to be concerned about making sure that a student finds not only an excellent institution and an excellent path forward, but the right fit.
We plow in all our energies for those 14 years. And it's actually the end of their school life, when they're ready to leave the portals of the school, is when they need to be held and guided. And that's what the IC3 conference has done.
Is not a commodification of education, where students are just clients to be sent to universities where we can enhance revenue, shove the product through, and keep the wheels moving. Instead, recognizing that your students are individuals, souls, people who need care and love and compassion. And if we individualize our counseling, if we recognize those individual characteristics, if we take away the masks and we see what lies behind them, we can find the right institution, the right program, the right course.
It seems to me, after hearing the speakers and meeting people at the IC3, that everyone here is united with that common goal of empowering every student to take on his steps into this world with confidence, freedom, so that they can truly achieve their passion.
And there's a lot of talking, lots of connection, so very, very dynamic.
The vibe is amazing. There are so many people here. The counsellors are engaged, the universities are excited. It's a great feeling.
It's positive, there's a lot of energy, people are sharing information. It's a great way to network and to become part of the education community.
IC3, when it says that they are actually changing lives with college and career counselling, they truly mean it.
I can see the benefits of attending the conference, not only for the university reps because we get access to high school counselors, but really seeing what this is all about, which is training high school counselors, getting them on board.
It's so convenient and it's so easy for everybody here to be able to meet all the people they want to meet in one venue and to be able to talk about issues and go to seminars which are really relevant to why we are here today in Mumbai.
IC3 is positively impacting the counseling ecosystem of the country. The counselors are motivated, they are going back home with very high quality information.
Something has changed in me over this 6 months. Just being in the committee, I have a home in 36 different countries.
Forefront of innovation and at the production of new knowledge. To sustain this sort of growth in both innovation and in capacity, we will need to exponentially grow the skills and competencies of our educators and of our institutions.
You know, everybody has access to the statistics, but what motivates us and what is really instructive are the stories behind those statistics, and that's what IC3 has helped with.
The overall quality of the content that's being provided is really truly incredible. I feel like I have learned a bit more than I normally learn at conferences.
honestly to bring counseling to every school. That's why we're here.
A lot of our young friends in school are leaving school like airplanes without a navigation system. These people are crashing into a world of despair, frustration, anger, disappointment.
We want to create powerhouses within schools.
It's about giving children the service as teachers, as adults, as counselors who will deal with them at the level of their knowledge, at the level of their careers, and the levels of their emotional well-being. We want happy people, then we have happy countries, then we have a happy world.